So another video po tayo. Tungkol pa rin po sa procurement documents, and this time pag-usapan po natin minutes of the opening of the bids. Hello mga partners, so magandang araw po muli. So another video po tayo. Tungkol pa rin po sa procurement documents, and this time pag-usapan po natin minutes of the opening of the bids. So tara po. So dito po sa ating listahan ng mga documents sa procurement, ang next po natin ay minutes of the opening of the bids. So ito po. Malapit na po natin maubos, matapos yung ating mga documents. So, puntahan po natin yung ating document. So, minutes of the opening of the bids. So, ang document po na to ay siyempre gagawin pa rin po, galing pa rin po sa back committee, which is being accomplished by the secretariat ng back committee. Okay, so province of, ilagay lang po kung anong province, municipality, barangay, then minutes of the opening of the bids. So ano po ba ibig sabihin nito? Dito po magkakaroon ng mga kung saan alituntunin, may mga susundin. So ito po yung mga naging minutes nung opening of the bids. O ito po yung mga nangyari nung nagkaroon po ng opening of the bids. So, sino pong present? Siyempre, ang back committee mismo, si chairman, si vice chairman, si TWG, si members, at saka si secretary ng back. So, wala pong absent. So, ilalagay niyo po kung may absent, Then, whereas the opening of the bids award committee meeting starts at 5. So, this is a meeting. So, parang ito po yung conference naman po ito para po sa opening ng bids, Kung yung nakarang video po ay conference para po sa pre-bid naman yon, ito naman po opening na po ito ng bids. Okay, so ilagay po kung anong oras, anong petsa, at kung saan po. Then whereas our business matter for today is opening of the bids, according to the presiding officer, each of the envelopes submitted by the bidders, the back secretariat shall take note or records the proceedings of the proper preliminary review and for the resolve of the bidding properly. So, ito nga po Whereas before we start, open the envelope of each bidder. A reminder to all members of back examination of bids and determination of responsiveness for every bidder, the quotation price amount of each item of the materials, aware the computation. Okay, whereas the back chairman declares to open the envelope and read the price quotation for every bid proposal. The TWG chairman review the price proposal amount for every item of materials and reiteration and emphasize the criteria of evaluation and proposal for every bidder and the eligibility screening. So dito nakalagay lang po kung ano po yung pinaka-task ng bawat member once na ginagawa na po ang opening ng bids, So, whereas upon post-qualification and careful examination, validation, and verification of all eligibility, technical and financial requirements submitted by the bidders will be lowest calculated bid amount and responsive. Okay, whereas the back chairman declares to award the implementation of project rehabilitation. Ito po, title po ito ng project. So, ilalagay po kung yung title ng project. Then, kung sino po yung winner na bidder. Ilalagay po dito, no? So, ilalagay po yung winner na bidder. Being the bidder with the lowest calculated bid amount and corresponding contract price quotation below the approved budget cost, no? Whereas the reading of bids and the approved budget for the contract. So, ABC, or ABC means approved budget for the contract. So, ayan po, no? So, sa mga bidders na nag-cooperate or nag-submit ng kanilang bids, si bidder 1, bidder 2, bidder 3, then name of contract, ito po, name of project or yung contract, type of bids, so public bidding. Then, ito po yung pinaka-calculated amount po ng bid per bidder. So, dyan makikita kung sino po yung lowest bidder. Approved budget for the contract or ABC. Ito po, sample lang po yan, yung amount na yan, sample lang. So, para makita po natin kung ano po yung lowest, no? Noted, comment, reaction from back members, representative, and bidders. So, all bids have been received, opened, examined, evaluated, and ranked, but only one bidder will win in spite to those who participated in the said bidding. All representative from the bidder, no comment, no reaction, no objection. There having no bids to be read and clarification to be made, the meeting bid opening is adjourned at, so yan, okay. So, yan, susundan nyo lang po yung parang pinaka-guide lang po natin to, no? Itong mga ganitong minutes para mas madali po tayo makagawa ng mga documents. But, syempre, ang titingnan po natin yung bawat tungkulin ng bawat member ng BAC committee. Okay? So, nandyan naman po yan. So, partners, muli po, thank you very much and God bless po sa atin.